guys, once again it's Alfred from binaryoptionstutor.com. I'm going to try and take me a quick little scalp here on gold. If I can get a pop like I need. I want to talk about why I'm doing this. This is not, it's like I'm almost making this the most ridiculously difficult thing for me to do. The reason is my data isn't very good over here, but I just felt like doing a video. That's why you'll notice the price that I'm using, the chart that I'm using on the left is a CFD chart, and over here I'm on a Nadex platform looking to do the trade, and prices aren't matching. That's kind of, for me, it's annoying. For most people, I say don't do it until you can understand that these prices are, they're going to move pretty similarly. And also, I just wanted to show you guys a gold trade, because gold can move so fast that I can probably scalp, I could scalp a little 14, 15 pips pretty fast because of the way gold moves. But what that also means is that you've got to be very particular when you're getting into your trade. Like, I like to be real snug on gold. That's why I got my lines here, and you see they're so close together. This is the high of the day, okay? This is an area that we've been hitting resistance at, and you can see that area is just past value area high. So, trying to get back up in that area, or maybe just a skosh above. I'm trying to get a reaction to that area. I'm watching my numbers over here, because this is really where I want to get my position at, right here. So I want to be as high as I can possibly get there, and that will coincide with my chart over here. It's just going to kind of give me hopefully a little improvement on my timing. I like to use the crosswalk down here for timing. I see a lot of battling going on. Lots of that's going to get flushed out over on Nadex, thank goodness, because when you're trading Forex and it's dancing like that, it is super hard to get your entry. Often, if you see that and you were trading Forex, don't get in. It's wherever you get in, there's going to be some slippage. And what I mean by that is, where you think you're getting in is probably not going to be where you're actually going to get your entry. It's like you're playing a video game or something. So I will wait. See how they're still bouncing over there on the Forex platform, and see how they're way more constant over here. And a good thing about that is, at least when you get in, you're probably going to know where you're getting in at. I'm going to try and get in there. I got in there. And that, you see we got all this bouncy bounce over here. So I'm looking just for a quick pop. Let's talk about some of the other factors. Obviously, I got some key levels here, but why am I really also getting in here? From a fundamental perspective, the hedge against the dollar is gold. And I know right now, here in the States, our policy is for a strong dollar, and the banks are going to work very, very hard to obfuscate what's going on in the economy. So they want a strong dollar. And you can see I'm already getting in the profit here. A pip is like $1. You got to be super fast to get out. So what I might do, if I'm trading forex, I like to get the I got 56.1. Pip is a tenth, so that's a tick. So let's say 55. That's 11. Right here, I'm going to set me a working order because I may not be fast enough to get out. I like to usually get out manually, but who knows? I may not be able to get out fast enough because even over here, look, it's smooth, but look at how fast the market's moving. And that's just generally the way that gold will move on you. I'm just hitting these key levels, and I'm just trying to get a little something in a hopefully short period of time, because this particular pair, which is gold versus the dollar, is usually pretty volatile. So we're up here, getting close to that high of the day, looking for the US guys to come in. Although I'm trading overnight, I still am expecting that fundamental policy to work on my side, and for these guys at the banks, to stop this hedge against the dollar, which that's essentially gold, euro, USD. You can look at all of those as kind of hedges against the dollar. So again, I'm trying to trade with the help of the banks. My chart over here is coming down a little bit, and I'm starting to see my crosswalk going down. We're seeing similar price action over here, trying to get to my target on the Nadex. But it's a lot smoother on Nadex, so it'll be a while, maybe, or at least it's going to be a little bit longer, we'll say. So I'm going to pause right here, and I'm going to come back as I get closer to my exit. Let's see. I might get this little pop, or I might also get close enough that I just decide I'm just gonna do this manually, because I like to do these manually anyway. I don't like to put my target in. The reason that I don't like to is when counterparty knows there's some orders. Okay, there, we took it anyway. Counterparty knows there's orders, and if they don't want you to get out, you're probably not going to get out. So, that's why I don't usually like to do that. But the movement was so super, super close, and you can see that's all just that little teeny bit of movement there on gold. That's all it took to get those 14 pips or ticks on Nadex. A tick is $1. So that was a fast trade there, just a quick in and out. I don't usually scalp gold, but with this particular approach, I've been trading this. I traded this like and a spot account last month. And on the next video, I'm going to go through and go over what I done last month trading this, and I'm going to go into every bit of detail how I use my crosswalk and how I use this little simple template up here to trade gold. And also you'll understand, hopefully I can explain why this entire trade right here and what I'm doing, why I got in. But essentially, I like to use the key levels. We worked at key levels and we just took that fast scalp. See you guys on the next video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. If we've helped you, please help us by sharing this content with others. It just takes a second, and it really, really helps guys find the videos here on YouTube. See you guys on the next video. Once again, this is Alfred from BinaryOptionsTutor.com.